Want to know how to make quick cash online? Well, you're in the right place. In this digital age, the world is teeming with opportunities to make money from the comfort of your home. It's like a vast ocean, and all you need to do is cast your net. But where to start, you might ask? Today we're going to unravel the mystery of online money-making and present you with 10 proven methods to generate quick cash online. From freelancing to flipping products, from taking online surveys to offering remote consulting, we've got it all covered. We'll delve into each method, sharing personal experiences, success stories, and practical tips to help you hit the ground running. And the best part? You don't need any special skills or a heavy investment to get started. So, buckle up as we embark on this exciting journey towards financial freedom. Stay tuned as we explore each method in detail. Let's kick off with freelancing, a popular choice for many. It's like being your own boss, setting your own hours, and choosing projects that align with your skills and interests. I remember when I first started, I was a bit unsure, but I took the plunge, and it paid off. In my first month alone, I made a decent chunk of change designing logos for startups. Freelancing is all about showcasing your skills and building a portfolio that speaks volumes. Now, how do you get started? First, identify your strengths. Are you a whiz at coding? Or perhaps you have a knack for graphic design? Once you've pinned down your skills, create a compelling profile that highlights your expertise and experience. And where do you find work? There are plenty of platforms out there like Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer that connect freelancers with clients. Remember, the key is to start small, deliver quality work, and build from there. Freelancing can be your first step to financial freedom. How about getting paid for your opinion? Let's discuss online surveys. Yes, you heard it right. Companies value your thoughts and are willing to pay for it. Participating in online surveys and market research is a proven method for generating quick cash online. Imagine a scenario where you're sipping coffee, answering a few questions, and voila, you've earned some cash. It's as simple as that. But how can you maximize your earnings? Well, sign up for multiple reputable survey websites. Some of my favorites are Swagbucks, Taluna, and Ipsos iSay. They're trustworthy and consistently offer a variety of surveys. However, not all that glitters is gold. Be cautious of scams. If a site asks for money up front or promises unreasonable earnings, it's likely a scam. Stick to reputable platforms, and you're good to go. Online surveys can be a great way to earn some extra cash. So why not give it a shot? Your opinion matters, and it can indeed pay off. Next up is affiliate marketing, a great way to earn passive income. Picture this, you're making money even while you're sleeping, all thanks to the power of affiliate marketing. In my journey, I've seen some incredibly successful campaigns. There was this one time I promoted a fitness product, and believe it or not, I made a tidy sum in just a week. So how do you get started? First, choose a product you're passionate about. Next, sign up for an affiliate program. Then, use your unique affiliate link to promote the product. Remember, the key is to be genuine and provide value to your audience. Selecting a niche is also crucial. I found success in the fitness niche, but you could thrive in beauty, tech, or any field you're interested in. Effective promotion techniques include creating engaging content and leveraging social media platforms. Affiliate marketing can be a game changer if done right. So, why not give it a try? Ever thought about selling your own digital products? The digital marketplace is a vast ocean of opportunities, waiting to be explored. From ebooks and online courses to graphic designs and software, the sky's the limit when it comes to what you can create and sell. I remember when I first delved into selling digital products. I started with a simple graphic design template, and before I knew it, I had a full-fledged online store selling different types of digital products. The beauty of this method is that you create the product once, and it can be sold over and over again, creating a passive income stream. But remember, the key is to identify what your audience needs, and create a product that fulfills that need. Platforms like Etsy, Shopify, and Gumroad are great places to start selling digital goods. Selling digital products can be a lucrative venture. Got an eye for photography? Let's talk about selling stock photos online. You know, I've made a pretty penny from my photos, and you can too. I remember when I sold my first image of a sunflower on a sunny morning. It was a moment that not only filled my pockets but also my heart, knowing that my creativity had value. Now, to create marketable photos, you need to think about what people want. Are they looking for vibrant landscapes, intimate portraits, or maybe something abstract? Keep an eye on trends and try to capture images that tell a story. Remember, your photos need to be high quality, so invest in a good camera if you can. As for platforms, there are plenty out there. Some of my favorites are Shutterstock, Adobe Stock, and Getty Images. They have a large user base and offer fair compensation. Remember, stock photography is not just about making money, it's about sharing your vision with the world. Stock photography can turn your passion into profit. Scene script. Education is the new currency. Let's delve into online courses and tutoring. I remember my first course, a simple guide to digital marketing. It was far from perfect, but it was a start. From there, I learned, improved, and expanded my course offerings. The key is to find a topic you're passionate and knowledgeable about, whether it's coding, cooking, or calligraphy. Now let's talk platforms. There's a myriad of them out there: Udemy, Coursera, even your own website. Choose one that suits your style and audience. But remember, the platform is just a tool. The real magic lies in your content. As for online tutoring, it's all about connection and communication. Be patient, be clear, be engaging. Use interactive tools, real-world examples, anything that makes learning a joyful journey. And don't forget to market yourself. Let your expertise shine through your profile and your teaching methods. Online tutoring can be a rewarding and profitable experience. Ever considered becoming a virtual assistant? It's an excellent opportunity to generate quick cash online. As a virtual assistant, you'll offer services ranging from administrative tasks like handling emails and scheduling, to specialized services like social media management or graphic design. I've personally found it to be an enriching experience. One of the best parts is the flexibility it offers. You can work from anywhere in the world and often choose your own hours. But where do you find these opportunities? Websites like Upwork and Freelancer have a wealth of virtual assistant gigs. You can also check out dedicated platforms like Belay or Zirtual. Of course, to succeed, you'll need to hone your skills. Communication, organization, and time management are essential. And remember, the more specialized your skills, the higher the potential earnings. Virtual assistants can be a great way to start your online career. It's a role that offers flexibility, variety, and the opportunity to build a strong skill set. Next, let's discuss flipping products online. Flipping is the art of buying low and selling high. It's like treasure hunting, but instead of a map, you're armed with knowledge of what items are undervalued. My first flip was an old vinyl record I found at a garage sale for $1 and sold for $25. It's a thrill, and the hustle is real. To succeed in flipping, research is your best friend. Know your market, whether it's vintage clothing, electronics, or collectibles. Check completed listings on eBay to understand what items are selling for. Finding the products is half the fun. Garage sales, thrift stores, even online marketplaces like Craigslist can be gold mines. Once you've found your treasure, it's time to sell. eBay is a go-to for many flippers, but don't overlook Amazon, Etsy, or even Facebook Marketplace. Remember, patience is key. Not everything sells overnight, but when it does, it's worth the wait. Flipping products online can be a great way to turn trash into treasure. Now let's explore the gig economy. Imagine being your own boss, setting your own hours, and choosing the projects that light your creative spark. That's the gig economy for you, a world where flexibility meets opportunity. I've personally dipped my toes in this vast ocean, and let me tell you, it's exhilarating. Some of the platforms that stand out in the gig economy are Uber, Lyft, TaskRabbit, Fiverr, and Upwork. Each offers unique opportunities whether you're a driver, handyman, or a graphic designer. But remember, success in gig work isn't just about signing up and waiting for the cash to roll in. It's about delivering quality work, building a solid reputation, and consistently outdoing yourself. To optimize your gig income, consider diversifying your skills and offering services in high demand. Also, effective communication and timely delivery can set you apart in this competitive space. The gig economy can open doors to numerous earning opportunities. Finally, let's talk about remote consulting. It's an amazing opportunity to monetize your expertise and knowledge. I've personally found it to be a rewarding experience, as it allows me to share my skills and experiences with those who need them most. Whether you're a marketing guru, a tech whiz, or a financial wizard, there's a high demand for your expertise out there. The key is to identify your niche and market your services effectively. Start by identifying who needs your skills and how you can solve their problems. Then, create a compelling pitch that highlights your unique value proposition. There are numerous platforms where you can connect with potential clients. Sites like Upwork, Clarity, and LinkedIn can be excellent starting points. However, don't limit yourself to these platforms. Networking, both online and offline, can also be a powerful tool in building your consulting business. Remember, remote consulting can be a great way to leverage your expertise for profit. So, there you have it. We've journeyed through 10 proven methods to generate quick cash online. From freelancing to remote consulting, each method holds its unique potential and opportunities. We've explored the world of online surveys, affiliate marketing, and selling digital products. We've looked at stock photography, online courses, and virtual assistants. We've even ventured into the realm of flipping products online and gig economy platforms. But remember, knowledge itself isn't power, it's potential power. The real power comes from taking action. So explore these methods. Start with one or two that resonate with you. Then, as you gain confidence, consider diversifying your online income streams. For further learning, there are countless resources available online. Blogs, webinars, ebooks, and courses can provide deeper insights into each of these methods. Remember, the key to success is taking that first step. So what are you waiting for? Start your journey to financial freedom today.